Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. A single acting reciprocating pump has piston diameter 12.5 cm and stroke length 30 cm. The center of pump is 4 meters above the water level in the sump. The diameter and length of suction pipe are 7.5 cm and 7 meters respectively. The separation occurs if the absolute pressure head in the cylinder during suction stroke fall below 2.5 meter of water. Calculate the maximum speed at which the pump can run without separation. Take atmospheric pressure head equal to 10.3 meter of water. Here the data given are diameter of piston is given 12.5 centimeter equal to 0.125 meter. So area equal to pi by 4.125 square equal to 0.01227 meter square. Stroke length is 30 centimeter equal to 0.3 meter. Crank radius R equal to L by 2 equal to 0.3 by 2 equal to 0.15 meter. Suction head HS equal to 4 meter and diameter of suction pipe DS is given 7.5 centimeter equal to 0.075 meter. So area of suction pipe AS equal to pi by 4.075 square. This comes 0.004418 meter square. Length of suction pipe is given as 7 meter. Separation pressure head H separation equal to 2.5 meter absolute. And atmospheric pressure head is given as 10.3 meter. From the indicator diagram, it is clear that the absolute pressure head during suction stroke is minimum at the beginning of stroke. Thus the separation takes place at the beginning of stroke only. In this case, the pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of the stroke S separation is S separation, but the pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of stroke is HS plus HAS meter above pressure head. HAS meter above pressure head, atmospheric pressure head. So atmospheric pressure head minus, so pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of suction stroke. Pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of suction stroke at the beginning of suction stroke is equal to HS plus HAS that is equal to atmospheric pressure head minus atmospheric pressure head minus HS plus HAS meter absolute, that is equal to H ATM atmospheric pressure head minus HS plus HAS, that is equal to, this is given 10.3 minus HS is 4 plus HAS. So this can be HS separation. Now H separation equal to 10.3 minus 4 minus HAS. This has been given 2.5 meter. 10.3 minus 4 minus HAS, so HAS equal to 3.8 meter. 3.8 meter. But as we know, at the beginning of suction stroke, HAS is equal to LS by G into A by AS into omega square R at the beginning, that is theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 1. Putting the values in this equation, this is 3.8 plus 7 by 9.8 into A is 0.01227 by 0.004418 into omega square. R is 0.15 into 1. So the value of omega comes here is 3.575 radian per second. But we know omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. So n equal to 60 omega by 2 pi. Putting the values here, 60 into 3.575 by 2 pi. So the value of n comes here 34.14 RPM. This is the RPM of the pump, the maximum speed at which the pump can run without suppression is 34.14 RPM. The diameter and stroke length of single acting reciprocating pump are 100 mm and 300 mm respectively. The water is lifted to a height of 20 meters above the center of pump. Find the maximum speed at which the pump may be run so that no separation occur during the delivery stroke. If the diameter and length of delivery pipe are 50 mm and 25 meters respectively, separation occur if absolute pressure head in cylinder during delivery stroke fall below 2.5 meters of water. Take atmospheric pressure head 10.3 meters of water. Here, this is the delivery start from C dash and end at point T, and the data given in this question are the atmospheric pressure head is 10.3 meter, 10.3 meter, absolute diameter of pump is given 100 mm equal to 0.1 meter. Length of stroke is given 300 mm equal to 0.3 meter. Crank radius is equal to L by 2 equal to 0.3 by 2 equal to 0.15 meter. Delivery head is given as 20 meter and diameter of delivery pipe is given as 50 mm equal to 0.05 meter. Length of delivery pipe is given as 25 meter. Separation pressure head H, separation is equal to 2.5 meter absolute, and atmospheric pressure head is 10.3 meter of water. Now from this indicator diagram shows the delivery stroke only. This shows the delivery stroke. The absolute pressure head during delivery stroke is minimum at the end of stroke only. It means if separation is to take place, it will occur only at the end of delivery stroke, where pressure head will be equal to separation pressure head and separation. The absolute pressure head at the end of delivery stroke from this figure is equal to D dash M. This is D dash M is where D dash M equal to D dash M, the D dash M equal to dm minus dd dash, dm minus dd dash. This is dm minus dd dash. That is equal to dm is also de plus em, de plus this em, de plus em minus d dash. So that is equal to h delivery de, this is h delivery hd plus em is HATM minus D dash is HAD D dash HAD. Now H separation equal to HD plus HATM atmospheric minus HAD. Putting the values here, this is 2.5 equal to 20 plus 10.3 minus HAD. So the value of HAD comes 27.8 meter. But acceleration at HAD at the end of delivery stroke is given by HAD equal to LD by G into A by AD into omega square R. So putting the values here, this is 27.8, then 25 by 9.8, and area of D by D, that is pi by 4 cancel. We have to calculate the areas here, that is 0.1 by 0.05 square, and both pi by 4 are cancelled, into omega square into 0.15 is the radius. So this is equal to 1.529 omega square. So the value of omega comes 4.264 radian per second. But we know the value of omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So n equal to 60 omega by 2 pi. So putting the values here, this is 60 omega by 2 pi equal to 40.72 RPM. 40.72 RPM is the value of n comes here, the value of omega put it here. So we have to solve similar type of questions that have been asked in the examination many times. So we have to do practice for the questions, and similar type of questions are given in the examination paper of the university. Whenever it has been asked, you have to practice more and more. Thank you.